having been appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India,
having been appointed as Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of India,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established.
I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear and favor, affection or ill will,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
महोदय
All right. So there you saw the 50th Chief Justice of India, Mr. D.Y. Chandrachud, taking oath. There you saw how President Murmu administered oath to India's new Chief Justice. Remember, Chandrachud will take over as the new Chief Justice, replacing Chief Justice, the outgoing Chief Justice UU Lalit. On this note, in fact, Meenakshi joins me on the phone line from Delhi. Meenakshi, a very good morning to you. Indeed, a big day for Judiciary. We have the 50th Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, taking oath. What more can you tell us about his profile, the key judgments that have been passed by him in the past, and what are the expectations for the new CJI?
Well, yes, a very good morning to you and all our viewers joining us this hour. And like you rightly mentioned, it is a very crucial tenure of Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and that is being looked towards with great enthusiasm amongst the bar and the bench, and also the population or the public at large. Why is that so? Is because Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has always shown himself to be a champion of rights of journalists, freedom of expression, and values which uphold liberty. And personal liberty has been a very sacrosanct principle with him that has reflected in several of his key judgments time and again. And that is why, that is the reason that his tenure of 2 years is going to be one of the most crucial tenures of recent times that we will see in the Indian Supreme Court. Like you rightly mentioned, we just saw yesterday Honorable Justice Lalit quit office after a tenure of some days. That was 70 plus days, Justice Lalit's tenure. So this tenure of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is going to be slightly longer than that, which is a period of 2 years. And therefore, there will be also some continuity with the changes that he introduces or not, with the administrative side of functioning of the Supreme Court. Interestingly, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has already made it very clear yesterday that all the reforms on the administrative side of the Supreme Court that were introduced by Justice Lalit are likely to continue. Remember, what was the administrative reform? We had seen very famously the Supreme Court give the nod for the live broadcast of Constitution Bench composition hearings. Then, secondly, we have seen some reform being introduced pertaining to mentioning of cases, of fresh cases, so that time was less consumed by mentioning of matters. So such areas will continue to be, and Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud assuming office as the 50th Chief Justice of India is certainly a very crucial phase as far as the Indian judiciary is concerned.
All right. Also, Meenakshi, if you can just tell us what are the key immediate cases, the pending cases that Justice Chandrachud is expected to look at, once he officially takes charge, that is today. All right, we'll try to reconnect with Meenakshi there, but remember, there you see the visuals, the live visuals of the new CJI taking oath. Remember, Justice Chandrachud is the 50th Chief Justice of India.